There's one strategy that can dramatically improve your revenue generation and your profit results. And it's a strategy that's often underutilized and sometimes a little bit misunderstood. And that strategy is cross-selling or cross-servicing. An easy definition of cross-selling, cross-servicing is the addition of new products, services, or solutions into an existing client that improves upon the base that you already have within that client. And that's going to do three specific things for you. First, it is going to protect your investment, the investment that you've already made in earning that client and servicing that client with the products or solutions that you have today. Second, it's going to give you a bit of a competitive buffer. If you're in your existing client talking about new problems that you can solve for them, this is going to position you in a much better way over the competition. Because if you aren't talking with them about it, really sharp competitors will be talking to them about it. And then third, when you do bring a new solution set into the client, you can typically do so at higher margins because you've already established trust, credibility, and loyalty with that client. So practically speaking, how do you go about doing this? The first thing is to understand your top 10 to 20% of your clients. What offerings are you implementing today so that you can understand where your best opportunities are? If, for example, you have one offering into that client, that is typically a prime opportunity to uncover other problems that you can solve that can introduce new solution sets to that client. Once you've identified where those opportunities are in that top 10 to 20% of your best clients, some easy ways to start introducing these conversations. First is at the tail end of current meetings that you have with those clients so that you can discuss different problems that they might be having that can help you uncover new ways to work with them. The proposal process might be another place to insert these types of conversations where it makes sense and doesn't muddy the decision-making waters. And then third, when you're doing account reviews, if you are ideally doing account reviews at a minimum once to twice a year, these are very easy places for you to talk about new problems, new insights that you can offer to that client that can introduce those ways for you to bring new solutions, bring new products that are additive to what you're already doing. So as you are planning your account reviews, look at cross-selling, cross-servicing as a very natural and additive way to improve revenue and improve your profit.